Yeah, you find me on Ash Landing. I'm going to head over to the gate that I couldn't undo. See how much water's coming off. This is not going to be a dry ride. Just going to get to the bottom of the horrible bit, have a rest. I feel like I've been swimming already on the real shitty bit here today. That's it, I've beaten the awkward bit. Wow. This I have never seen before on the top of Graythwaite. Luckily it's not deep enough to worry me so long as I go through steady. You can see all the firs are actually going green now and everything's starting to grow. I think a lot of it might be hawthorn actually, mixed in on the edge of here. That was exceedingly wet up there, all over the damn place. So it's not going to be good where I'm headed through, because that's usually like ice when it gets wet, green slimy, the amount of water we've had. So this is the first day that I've seen a slight break in it to actually get out, and that's very soft now. Bog before I get to the gate. My nemesis, the gate. This is where I thought it was welded. Because the gate, the tab wasn't showing on the right side. Anyway, I'm through today. This is just bloody awful. Look. That was deep. I think we'll be doing some walking down here. Yeah, I thought there'd be another one. I'd seen this one laid on the floor for a long time. I was coming through last year. Shit. Alright, where am I going to put my bike? Now I'm well versed into these now. Slide, open. As you can see, once the tab is on this side, it becomes apparent that it's not welded to this thing. Fucking dickhead. This is looking bloody awful. I'm definitely going to be walking, I think, on this next bit, because I know how green this is. Yeah, and the bike's just slid across. Not even going to attempt that. All this. Oh, front wheel's just bloody gone, and I've nearly dropped the bike. I don't think I'll even get up the rooty bit that I normally manage to get up. Oh, just. And again, more green rock that's getting walked. This one's generally lethal. Yeah. That's it, I can see the gate. I've beaten it today. Good pedal clout on there on the front of my shin. Onward. Everywhere is just so damn wet. As you can see, this is just running. On the plus side, it might clean the wheels off a bit. Not too deep. This is one I do before it gets too overgrown. It's starting to come out from the side, you can see here. It's only a short cut through. Just lash wet through everywhere. Just stopped to pick up a bit more litter, add to my litter bag that I'm carting home with me, removing other folks' shite. You're just part way coming up from Colthouse, going towards Ray Castle and base camp. Well, that was an interesting one on the Ray Castle Shore Road. I didn't have the camera on, it was actually completely turned off. Somebody decided to bring a drone down and hover it about a yard in front of my face while I was riding along. So I tried to snatch it out of the air, but it was just out of grasp. It then buggered off, and he must have realised, whoever's flying it, that I was trying to see where it had come from, and he landed it on top of a boat that looked like there was nobody on it, and then probably just waited for me to go before he brought it back to himself.